Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. I woke up 20 past 4 today, and have been driving for 2.5 hours almost. I'm going to Stockholm, the capital, to leave a I don't know what you call it. Is it a post? Is it a beam? A 41 by 41 centimeters wide post beam, and it's 2.4 meters in length, to a company in Stockholm who's gonna deliver that to a museum. Is that what you call it? Yeah, more about that soon. After that, I'm gonna continue driving like 40 minutes to the other side of the capital, where I have a plan on milling I think it's an ash, around 80 centimeters in width. One of my saws seized up, and yeah, it's out of work for now. It's on vacation, which leaves me with one saw for the moment. We'll be looking into that soon, but I hope we will manage today. Otherwise, he had 2 birches that he wanted to take down as well. I haven't looked at them more than on a photo, so I don't really know what's around it or so on. But I brought, yeah, basically the stuff for taking down trees as well. We got 29 minutes left until I'm at the post delivery place. So yeah. So we just left the beam at the builders. It's 2 guys, one tall, one short is their Instagram account, but in Swedish, in kort and lång. So the opposite, one short, one tall. And now we got a 30-minute drive through the capital, or 40. I got 30 left to meet up with the customer who has the ash and the birches. So I'll catch up to you soon. So we're at the site just outside, I think it's outside, at least looks like it's a bit outside of Åkersberga, and it's an oak. It's an oak. At least the measurements were right. So I'm just gonna adjust this. center or the side of the home. So I'm just gonna pack everything in a small carryable thingy and get going. So it's time for the assembly of the ladder, and we're gonna trim a bit of that branch there so we can get the ladder flush before we set the height and let the saw rip some dust. Nej, jag tyckte inte det var så farligt på den första. Utan man ser just sprinten.
Det där är
Alltså,
liksom
det är
bara...
här.
Det där kan man göra en bänk från.
Ja, verkligen.
Då vill man ju ha det här på bordet.
Ja, det ser de har inte kommit så långt.
Nej.
Such a hot day. Well, I was supposed to mill table slabs, but we got like 20 centimeters left on the log, and we just hit 4 nails. I just sharpened the chain, and we're gonna reset the mill to just about 20 centimeters to make like a fat slab. And then we're gonna turn the slab up on the corner and then get some posts out of it for some future like stair building on the side here. And then we'll see what we do after that. But that's the first mission. that went good. I was a bit scared of it turning or flipping on me. We actually got an edge based on the levelness of the first side cut there, and now we're gonna make it into roughly 3-inch cuts, 10 centimeters posts for the rest of it. So watch me. Posts. Time for a water break. So the posts are done. They got about 15 meters of those, and now we're gonna mill the last log, I guess, which is a smaller one, and that's gonna be some like cutting boards, maybe shelf, I don't know, and a small bench. We're gonna leave about half. So that's it. An Instagram friendly bench and some beams and a couple of table slabs and charcuterie boards. I think that's it from Åkersberga. So guys, I just finished and I'm about to hook the trailer to the car and then we're off home. So one second. So we're hooked up, everything is done, we're good to go. If I'm thirsty, yes. 3 o'clock. GPS home. 2 hours 54 minutes. So let's go.